So, it does look like we have a very luxurious clientele coming in today for the Everything Personal Attention Role-Play treatment. That includes doctor, barber, hairstylist, makeup artist, photographer, you name it, we have it. Perfect timing. And it looks like they want the more faster treatment because they have things to do. Understandable, because that is money. So they should be here any minute now. Let's check the clock. And their appointment starts very soon. And oh my goodness, perfect timing. Are you the clientele of this evening? Thank you so much for coming to Dream City Clinic. I am Luna and I run the facility here. And it does look like today you are here for the Everything Trying Personal Attention treatment, as expected for such a luxurious person. So please relax. We are going to take care of you and every single one of your relaxation needs, okay? Sit down and we will begin as soon as possible, okay? Cheers. So it does look like our patient should be arriving soon, and perfect timing. Hello there, love. I am Nurse James, and today we're going to give you a very quick full body exam. Is that correct? Perfect timing. So very quick. May I please get your first and last name? Lovely. That does check out. And then may I please get your birthday? Perfect. And when was the last time you had your health checked? Okay, we're going to check it today now. So, have you had any fevers or upset feeling, perhaps a sickness in the past 2 weeks? Temperature is looking absolutely lovely. Okay, any stress going on with you recently? Okay, we'll be sure to remove that today, okay? I'm going to check your eyes if that's okay with you. Could you please look at me? Okay, look at the light please now. Look back at my nose. Look at the light. Look back at my nose. Very good. Can you look at the wall? Okay, can you look at this wall? Very good. I'm looking for dilation and striation of the eyes. Very good. Looking good. Could you follow the light for me very fast? Marvellous. Looks like all of your reflexes are working quite well. I'm going to quickly check your muscles now and your musculature. I'm going to hit some things and I want to see if you reflex. Good. I'm going to start with your forehead. May I touch your forehead? Good. 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 Good reflex that. Now your arms. Good reflex. Good reflex. Now I'm going to test your knees. Please try not to kick me, okay? Very good reflex. Very amazing reflex. Very good. I'm going to quickly check your ears now. Can you let me know if you hear this? Very good. I'm going to ask you, is this to your left or right side? Is this to your left or your right side? Can you lift up your hand? Can you lift up the other hand? Very good. Can you shrug your shoulders? Can you relax? Good. I'm going to ask you to follow with me quickly. Can you raise your eyebrows? Okay. Can you smile? Good. Close your eyes. Can you do that? Perfect. And can you relax your face? Very good. So I'm going to give you a good clear bill of health here. I'm going to send you to the next person now. Thank you so much for having your health checked. Looks like everything's looking good for you. And let's see if we can get you to feeling even more relaxed from the day. Okay? Cheers, love. And hello there. Perfect timing. I am the luxury makeup artist today. My name is Rose. And today we'll be taking very good care of you. Are you wearing any makeup right now? Wow. Well, your skin is absolutely flawless. I'm going to be just doing your makeup. May I touch your face? Perfect. And it looks like you have just a bit of dry skin. So today we're going to be working with a bit of La Mer cream. We're going to put this to your face and use it as a lotion and a primer. So sit still. Just going to massage that all over. Gorgeous. And then we're going to be using Fenty by Rihanna. And we're going to be giving you a lovely makeup look. Okay? And using this lovely Kat Von D brush. I'm just going to pat that on your face. Okay? Can you close your eyes? Okay, can you open your eyes? And on the chin, gorgeous, looking stunning and flawless. Moving on to your blush and eyeshadow. We are going to be using Lancome because you're deserving of it. And we're going to be giving you some eyeshadow. Close your eyes. I'm just going to... And on the nose. And flawless. You look absolutely gorgeous. I'm going to be using some Fenty mascara now. Can you look up at me? Can you look down and blink? Very good. Other eye, look up. Look down and blink. Very gorgeous. Now let's give you some gorgeous blush. I'm going to be using the one in this palette right there. Just going to pat. And can you smile for me? Beautiful. And on your beautiful nose. And could you look back at me? Now let's give you some highlighter. I actually just got this highlighter. It's by Fenty Beauty. And we're going to be just making you glow. This one right here is called 7-Day Week. And let's just pat that on your face. And let's finish you off with some luxurious Lancome lipstick. Now can you go like this for me? And beautiful. You look amazing. Now I'm going to send you off to get your hair going to be sort of trimming off at the ends. Okay, I'm just going to, and just start cutting. Okay, could you look at me? Thank you, love. Just going to. Okay, and would you like a little bit of a fringe like that? Okay. It's always good to add a bit of a bang. Okay, going to brush that out again. Okay, look at me. Look at me, darling. Good, let's just fix that. I'm going to just cut the simple hairs like that. I'm going to just tilt your head a little bit like so, okay? I'm going to tilt it the other direction now, just to keep your head like that. Okay, looking marvellous. Now I'm just going to ask you, could you look at me? I'm just going to move that around. Good. And then we're going to finish off with some hairspray, but this one has glitter in it, so it's going to make you shine and look just so luxurious. Close your eyes. And let's blend that in. And absolutely lovely, darling. I'm going to send you to the barber now to take out just a little bit of the facial hair, okay? Send you to the barber now. Cheers. And hello, are you here for the barber shop? You are. Perfect timing. So what we're going to do is we're going to shave your beard and your mustache. Would you like a style or would you like it to shave all off? Perfect. We're going to start off with a shaving cream. This one is by Nivea. It smells like roses. It's quite nice. So if you can see, I have an immaculate mustache, but I'm just going to get a bit of shaving cream for you. Okay, just going to massage that into the face now. And are you sure you don't want to keep your mustache? Okay, just making sure. Hey, look at me. Marvellous. A marvellous piece. So we're going to start shaving now. Please relax. Masterpiece. Beautiful. And are you sure you want to remove the moustache? It's quite marvellous. Okay. Okay, just a little bit there. I'm going to wipe that off. And perfect. Now we're going to add just a little bit of a brush to brush the hairs away, okay? As fast as lightning. Very good. Now we're going to add an anti-shave cream. Just a little bit. And this might sting just a little bit, okay? Marvellous indeed. Very good. And now you look just gorgeous with glowing skin. Thank you so much for coming to the barbershop today. Again, as I have just an immaculate mustache, you now have an immaculate glowing skin. Thank you for coming to the barbershop. To the next person. And perfect timing. Hello there, you're just in frame. Welcome to the photographer's office. I am the photographer today, Sherry. And Sherry will be taking luxurious photos of you. Your hair and makeup look stunning. So let me just manipulate you and relax, okay? I'm going to just move your muscles around, and it's okay with you if I do that, right? Good. I'm going to tilt you to the side a little bit, and I'm going to use different lenses to take photos of you, okay? So we're going to start off with this first lens right up there. And I want you to sit still. We're going to take some photos. Good, and we're going to just tilt you to the other direction now. And could you just close your eyes for me? Good, and I'm going to ask you just to relax your shoulder like this. Good, and I'm just going to use this frame right there. I'm going to take some photos. Marvelous. Okay, what I'm going to do now is going to just make your face perfect right there. I'm going to add a little bit of glow, and I'm going to be using this little highlighter here from Fenty Beauty. I'm just going to brush that onto your face, okay, on the nose. What I'm going to ask you to do is just sit still, okay? And I'm going to now just take some photos, like just like this. I want you to relax your shoulders like this. Good. And close your eyes and keep your chin pointed up here to the left like that. Good. And let's take some beautiful photos of you. Good. And could you give us a small smile? Good. And relax, relax, relax. Good. Now keep your eyes closed. And if you're sitting on that chair properly, just fall back into it and relax. relax. Now we're going to send you off to your lovely vacation, and you're going to be seeing a TSA agent, okay? Just relax and be cool. There'll be no problems, I promise. Cheers, love. And hello there, I'm the TSA agent. I heard that you're going on a vacation. Yes, if that's okay with you, I'm just going to give you something that we like to call an up-to-down exam, okay? We're going to make sure that you have nothing with you. Good. So first I'm going to check your scalp. Okay, now I'm going to check behind your ears. And on your face. Okay, and can you just say, ah? Ah, perfect. Okay, you can relax now. I'm going to check your shoulders. And then your arms. The other side, and on your arms. Other side, very good. And now I'm just going to check just right there on the thorax. Okay, and then on the ligaments, like the legs. Okay, and what about your shoes? Okay, and socks. Okay, let's see. Very good. Now I'm just going to ask if I can see your ID. Show me the ID. Thank you for the card. I'm just going to do some quick measurements here just to make sure that that's accurate. I'm going to take a look at your face here. Don't move. I'm going to just measure your eyes. That looks about right. That looks about right. And I'm supposed to measure your forehead. That looks just about right in comparison to the photo. Very good. And then the nose. Good. And then what I'm going to do is measure the ears. Yeah, the ears are looking good. What is a good one to tell is just your shoulder. That's good proportionate-wise. It's good proportion-wise. It looks like it is who you say you are. Can I just quickly check inside of your bag? Very good. Let me see what's in there, okay? Okay, so the first thing I see is you brought a Squishmallow with you. Is this what, a real Squishmallow? How much did you get it for? That's a good deal. That's a good Squishmallow. I'll give that one back to you, okay? Let's see what else is in the bag. Okay, it looks like you have a Switch. Is this the Animal Crossing little controllers that you have here? Where'd you get that from? You bought the Switch like that? You're very lucky. Thank you so much. You can have that back now. It does look like everything was alright with you for this check. You can keep your Squishmallow and your Nintendo Switch, and we'll see you on to the next person. Thank you so much, and have an amazing relaxation and vacation. Cheers. Oh, and hi there. I'm the eye doctor, and today we're going to be giving you your final eye exam to help soothe your eyes and draw you to sleep, okay? What I'm going to do is ask you just to follow and identify some colors for me, okay? So what I'm going to do first, I'm going to show you something. I'm going to point at something and I want you to identify the color. What color is this? Very fast. That is red. Very good. And what is the object? That is a boat. Very good. I'm going to move on to the next one. Now, I'm going to point to this. What is this object here? What is this object here? That is a rainbow. And what's this first color? Red. What's the second color? Orange. What's the third color? Yellow. What is the fourth color? Green. What is the fifth color? Blue. Sixth color? Purple. Seventh color? Violet. That is a rainbow. Very good. So I'm going to show you something now. What color? What color? What color is this? That is pink. And what is this object? That is a cup. Very good. That is a cup. I'm going to show you a fourth object down. What is this? What is this? What is this? What is this? That is a object of milk in a container. Very good. And what color is that? That is white. Very good. I'm going to ask you now, how many fingers am I holding up? Good. How many fingers am I holding up? Good. How many fingers am I holding up? Good. How many fingers am I holding up total now? Very good. That is 10. How many fingers am I holding up now? That is 6. And now that is 2. Very good. Very good. I'm going to ask you to close this eye. Okay, close the other eye. Open the eyes. Close the eyes. Open the eyes. Close the eyes. Open the eyes. And close the eyes. Do you feel how heavy your eyes are? Do you feel how heavy your eyes are? Very good. Open your eyes. Close your eyes. Now relax your shoulders. Relax your muscles. Relax every part of your body. And relax and have a good night. I see that you are falling asleep and having a good relaxing time. So thank you so much for enjoying every single role play that we do have here today at our very spectacular sleep clinic here in Dream City. Again, I have been Luna. Have a treacherous night and enjoy the rest of your sleep.